doesn't want to achieve beautiful glowing skin? Do you want to achieve this skin? Today we are jumping into my skincare routine. First of all, I go in with my beautiful soap bar. I make sure it's a moisturizing, nourishing soap bar or a beautiful creamy body wash. And I go in with my washcloth, guys. I lather this up. I jump into the shower. I wet myself. And then I pass this all over my body. We're moving on to exfoliating. I always exfoliate my skin at least twice a week. I use this beautiful oatmeal sugar body scrub to exfoliate my skin. It has a wonderful scent. Okay, exfoliating is really great for the body. It helps get rid of all the dead skin cells, and it reveals a beautiful glowing sensation to the skin, and it also helps with softening and smoothing the skin. So when you go in with whichever body oil or lotion, it helps it sit in the skin properly. So make sure you exfoliate twice a week, guys. Summer is coming and you need that exfoliation. When I'm done with all of this, I pat dry with a clean towel, and then I go in to moisturize the skin. I use this right here. This is called the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Skin Therapy Oil, and it said that it's good for scars, stretch marks, dry damaged skin, and even skin tone and aging with pure argan oil. And I also use this right here. This is called the African Shea Butter. I love some shea butter on my skin. This is how it looks. This is the white one. They also have the yellow one. So what I typically do is I put a tiny bit of the shea butter in the palm of my hands, and I mix it with a bit of the skin therapy oil, and I rub it together in a paste, a tiny paste, and I lather it all over my body. When I'm done, this helps me to remain moisturized throughout the course of the day. And then I go in with my sunscreen. This is my beautiful tinted sunscreen. It's a mineral sunscreen, guys. Mineral tinted sunscreen. Let's not forget shaving. You have to shave at least once a week. If you're on the hairy side, you gotta shave at least twice a week. And do not forget the underarms. I use this secret deodorant, and it says that it has pH balancing minerals, and it smells awesome. You can get all of these which I mentioned at your local Target or Walmart stores. You can get the skin therapy oil at Walmart. If not, you can purchase it on Amazon, and also the shea butter. I normally get mine from Amazon. I can leave the link below for you guys. And last but not least, let's move on to the vaginal area. This can cause body odors, so you go in with a pH balance wash. I use this one, which is a pH balance uni wash, and this one is it has cooling sensation, and it's in the rose flavor. When I'm done, I use this yoni oil. You do not insert it inside the vagina, you rub it on top. It also helps get rid of bumps from shaving. I also got those VPH natural capsules. They're boric acidic vaginal capsules. You insert one per night in the vagina. It helps to clean. This also helps clean inside the vagina, even though the vagina self-cleans. So when I'm done with all of the mentioned above steps, I just spray on this light body mist and I'm good to go. I can't use strong perfumes as they tend to give me a severe headache, so I use body mist like this. So here is it, guys, my summer hygiene routine. So and the reason anyone shouldn't be smelling great this summer. Don't forget to like the video, leave your comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. And let me know which of these is your favorite and which ones you will be trying this summer.